Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 10 Subject Social Science Chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture you have learned about the jari work, metal work, wooden art, inlay work, Akik work. Akik work is a one kind of the precise stone. This is the important for board examination already. I am telling you. And painting. And painting is an art which can express through the line and the color. And the aim of this art to express the emotion by initiating the animated and inanimated object of the nature through the lines and the colors. Up to this, dear children, we have learned into the previous lecture. Now today, dear children, we have to learn about the fine arts of the India. What happened there? Today we are learning about the fine arts of India. Singing, playing, dancing and performing the roles of the different character is a unique features of the Indian culture. What is the unique features of Indian culture? Then remember singing, playing and the dancing. Singing, playing and dancing and performing the roles of the different characters. This is one kind of the unique features of the Indian culture. Entertainment with the moral education. What entertainment with moral education has been imparted since the ancient times through the drama based on the greatest scripture like Ramayana and Mahabharata. First, we have to learn about the music. Which one? Music. Indian music is a unique from the point of the view of the tune, rhymes and the harmony. What happened that dear children? The Indian music is very unique from the point of view of the tune, rhymes and their harmony. Yes, so it is the kind of the different form of the music of other countries of the world. Samved, one out of the four Veda, underline it. Which Ved? Samveda, out of the four Veda, is considered to be the associated with music. So dear children, in board you have to ask that which Ved is connected with the music. Then you remember about the Samveda. Ritas of Samved are sung with the tunes and the rhymes of the music. Music involve both singing and playing. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni are the seven vowels of the music. Which are the seven vowels of music? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Indian music can be divided mainly into two parts. Indian music can be divided in two parts. One is a classical music and second one is a folk music. We have the five main rags in the classical music. Now, what happened that dear children? We have the main five rags in the classical music. Which five rags? Sri, Deepak, Hindol, Main and Bhairavi. These five rags of the classical music. It is believed that many texts were written of the music, out of which of the introduction of three things: Sangeet Makarand, Sangeet Ratnakar and the Sangeet Parijata is given below. First of all, dear children, they have given about Sangeet Makaranda. Which one? Sangeet Makaranda. In this Sangeet Makaranda, dear children, they have to given that a music scholar of the Narad who had written a Sangeet Makarand about 900 BC. BC means before Christ. It described 19 venas and 101 rhymes. Rhymes it means tal. It means in Sangeet Makarand 19 venas and 101 rhythms which are useful even today. Second one, Sangeet Ratnakar. Which one, dear children? Sangeet Ratnakar. The writer of this text was the Pandit Sarangdeva. He lived in Dolatabad. Pandit Sarangdev lived in Dolatabad in Devgiri. So he was familiar with the South and North Indian music. And because of that, Pandit Vishnu Narayana Bhatkande considered the Sangeet Ratnakar is the most authentic book of the music. We remember which one? Sangeet Ratnakar is the most authentic book on the music. Underline in your textbook, dear children. And Sangeet Ratnakar is believed to be unique in understanding all the aspect of the music. After dear children, they have given about the Sangeet Parijita. Which one? Sangeet Parijit. Sangeet Parijat is a very important view on the music. Sangeet Parijat is also the important book on the music. Dear children, underline it and remember it. Here the Pandit Ahobale had written this text in 1665 on the northern Hindustani music. He had noted one important characteristic features of all rag, saying that rag have their own individual identity. What? Rag has their own individual identity and their characteristic. He had described the 29 types of the tunes. So how many types? He has described the 29 types of the tunes. During the time of the Alauddin Khilji, talented Amir Khusro was very famous. Due to his contribution in the field of music and poetry, he is known as a Tuti-e-Hind. It means the parrot of India in the Indian history. Bhakti movement are to be started on 15th and the 16th century. Bhakti Sangeet and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Kabir, Tulsidas, Mirabai, Narsimha Mehta, etc. was to be the very famous. The disciple of Swami Haridas, Biju Bawra, Tansen and duet girl Tana Riri are to be considered as a rare jewels of the music of the 15th century. After dear children, they have given about the information of the art of the dancer. Which one? Art of the dancer. The word Nritya. Which one? The word Nritya has been derived of the original word Sanskrit Nrita. It means the word Nritya is derived from the Sanskrit word Nrita. Underline it. Dance is the one of the medium to realize the beauty with the tal and the laya for the realization of the aesthetic joy. Shiv, the originator of the dance, is the lord of the dance. Underline it. Who is the originator of the dance? Then Shiv. Shiv is therefore also said as a Nataraja. Underline. This is the important for the board examination. Shiv is therefore also said to be the Nataraja. They have given one image. The god of the dance, Nataraja. It is also known as the Shiva. He was the first to bring down the music from the heaven to the earth, to teach the art of the dance to the people. India has a wide variety of the traditional classical dance: Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. Which is the traditional classical dance of the India? Then remember that Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. First of all, we have to learn about the Bharatnatyam. Which one? Bharatnatyam belongs from the Tamil Nadu. Underlining and remember, Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu. The origin of Bharatnatyam is believed to be Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. There are the two books, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni and Abhinav Darpan by the Nandikeshwara, which are the originate source of the Bharatnatyam. Apart from that, Gopi Krishna and Mrinali Sarabhai are the actress like Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini are to be considered to be the preservation of this heritage. After dear children, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi from the which state? From Andhra Pradesh. Here dear children, you have to remember the name of the dance and originate from which state, and this is the important one. Kuchipudi from the Andhra Pradesh. This style of the dance was created into the 15th century. It is the mostly based on the description of woman beauty. Different poses, gestures are to be performed by male and female. Dancers are woven in the foundation of this dancer. Kuchipudi famous into the Andhra Pradesh. Guru Prahlad Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu are to be the well-known dancer who have preserved this Asian tradition. After dear children, they have given about the Kathakali from Kerala, Kathakali, Kerala state. This style of dance is very famous in Kerala. The word Kathakali has been derived from the dramas based on the ancient epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. This mixed the drama in Sanskrit and Malayalam. The character of this art wear the beautiful plaited attrition. Wear the ray, their facial expression recognize the character of this character. The crown they put on very artistic. The character are to be perform his or her dance with their facial expression, pose of the hands, introduce the character of the three lobes. They comes in the front of the curtains with the light of the earthen lamp only. Poet of Kerala Sri Vallabh Thor, actor Kalam Mandal, Krishna Prasad, Shiv Raman have earned the great fame and the name of the nation in the worldwide. After dear children, they have given about the Kathak dancer. The line Kathan Kare, so Kathak Kahave is related with the Kathak dancer. Underline in your textbook. The Kathak dance narrated with the life event and incidents of the Lord Krishna. It is observed that it developed by the Sugar Bhakti as well as of the Vaishnava community. In this lifestyle of the dance, dear children, you can say that the dancer tune around on one leg show the references of the dancer. Women wear the narrow trouser and the frill, it means the frock attire. The style of the dance has been kept alive by Pandit Sri Birju Maharaj and Sitaram Devi and Kumudini Lakita, etc. After dear children, they have given about the Manipuri dancer. The people of Manipuri dance on every occasion as well as the festivals. This dance style is chiefly based on Ras Leela and the Bal Leela of the Sri Krishna. Manipuri dance is divided in two types. One is a Lasya and second one is a Tandava. The plaited green color petticoat is known as a Kuminsa. And at the same time, the silk blouse and the belt are put around their waist. Guru Amo Bisinga, Atambo Singh, Guru Bipin Singh, after Natya, Naina Javeri, Nirmal Mehta, this all has given again at the worldwide fame through the Manipuri dancer. Thank you, dear children.